Canada is planning a major change to its immigration system, and it could completely reshape how skilled workers apply for permanent residence. The government is proposing to retire the current express entry programs and replace them with a new, simplified system. These changes were outlined in Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada's Forward Regulatory Plan for 2026 to 2028, which highlights upcoming immigration reforms over the next 2 years. According to the proposal, 3 major immigration programs could be eliminated: Federal Skilled Worker Program, Canadian Experience Class, Federal Skilled Trades Program. In their place, Canada plans to introduce a single, streamlined program with simpler eligibility requirements. So far, only limited details have been shared. However, the goal is to better support Canada's economy and help businesses find the talent they need. The government also says a simplified system will be easier for applicants, employers, and partners to understand and navigate. At this stage, the changes are still proposals. Canada plans to consult with stakeholders and the public in spring 2026, with more details expected during that time. If implemented, this would be one of the biggest changes to Canada's immigration system since Express Entry was launched in 2015. Currently, Express Entry is Canada's main system for managing permanent residence applications for skilled workers. In 2025, nearly 118,000 invitations to apply were issued through this system. First, candidates must qualify under one of the 3 immigration programs. Once eligible, they enter the Express Entry pool. Candidates are then ranked using the Comprehensive Ranking System, also known as CRS. Those with the highest scores may receive an invitation to apply for permanent residence. After receiving an invitation, applicants have 60 days to submit a complete application with supporting documents. Most applications are processed within 6 months. Canadian Experience Class. This program is for individuals with work experience in Canada. Applicants typically need at least 1 year of skilled work experience in the country. Federal Skilled Worker Program. This pathway is for skilled workers with experience in Canada or abroad. Selection is based on factors like age, education, language ability, and work experience. Federal Skilled Trades Program. This program is for skilled trades workers. Applicants usually need at least 2 years of work experience in a trade, along with a job offer or certification in Canada. All of these programs may soon be replaced by a single system. While details are still limited, this proposed change signals a move toward a more flexible and streamlined immigration process. For anyone planning to immigrate to Canada, this is an important update to watch closely.